y'all, today we're putting together the bissa from ikea, and something that's confusing is that the face of the drawers that will come out actually doesn't seem perfectly aligned with the frame, if that makes sense. The solution that we've come up with is in the last stages of installing to place something very flat and very thin at the bottom of the cabinet before screwing in. So this is a cutting board. Okay, so as you can see, it's not perfectly aligned with this frame and there's a little indentation, but we think that it looks pretty good and it also functions perfectly well. Confusing, and you can kind of see from the diagram, is that the face is that being a little inward rather than being all the same. Alright, that's just stupid. Hey y'all, today we're putting